Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to download CountryStar application on your Android phone. So let's go ahead and dive in straight into the video. First of all, go ahead and open your Play Store and then go to the search box appearing at the top and type in CountryStar. Once you make a search for the app, look for this application from Space Ape and tap on Install to begin downloading the app on your Android. Now, all you need to do is to wait for the application to download and install, which will take several minutes depending upon the internet speed. Now, once the download is completed, tap the play button to launch open CountryStar application on your Android for the very first time. And there you have it! You've downloaded CountryStar for your Android. So if you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.